Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I got a new truck and I'm height challenged, so today we're going to be installing running boards. There'll be a link for these running boards in the description. And today I have my lovely assistant Christy. I've already kind of looked at this box. This is the box of parts. Yeah, I'm going to let you hold this for a sec. The hardware. It actually seems like really good hardware. Pretty heavy duty brackets. I think we have 4 on this side. And I don't think there's a difference between the brackets. I think they're all the same. I think it's that big or not, I don't know. Yep, they all look the same. And a few nuts and bolts. And 2 instruction pieces. So this should be pretty easy. But we'll see what one of the running boards looks like. These were pretty much the cheapest ones I could find on Amazon. Okay, so we're under the truck, and what you have to do is you have to take these rubber plugs out right here. I'll try and show you. I don't know if I can do this one-handed without killing the truck. I use dikes. Hold on. If I could have the camera held right like that. Right there. I get my fingernail under it. Pull it down, put it under, and just pop that out. So put your fingernail, slide the dike under it, and then pop it right out. It's like a Christmas tree. Okay, so you do 8 of them. You do right here, these 2 right here, these 2 right here, and where's the door right here? These 2 right here and here. So we may be in Florida right now, but we're gonna be back up north. So if you want anything to last up north, you spray fluid film. Okay, now that all the 4 brackets are on,
do what?
I come back and I spray it with fluid film. These are Chinese bolts, so they're pretty much made out of bubble gum. So you don't want to go over torquing them. You just want them tight till the point that when they stop, and there's 8 of them to hold a human. You don't need that much. But now that they're all fluid filmed, now you come over and you put these other brackets, they just slip in, and you put them on there, and then she's going to come over and flip that over, and those bolts are going to line up with these spots right here. Okay, she's going to flip that over and try not to drop a ball, and set that so that these brackets go right down into these holes like that. And it's okay if you drop one, you'll be able to get them in later. So I'll bring you back once those are all in. Okay, so now that you got all the nuts and washers, where are you? Right there. Right there. I'm going to get up and take a look at it first off. This is what it looks like. And its position's completely wrong. But you have adjustment. So you can kind of slide it down. Oops. Right about there. That's right about even with the back. And now you can adjust in and out. So You look down the truck, that's too far in. Come out a little bit there, out a little bit there. It goes out quite far, but I don't want it to be out too far. I don't think that's out enough. This is how much I did. I cheated, I already did this one. So if you look right down the truck, it's about an inch reveal before the fold. Gotta come out just a little bit. About that much. And I obviously don't have these bolts tight. I just have them snugged by finger. This front could go in just a little. Okay, so that looks good. Now you just tighten them all. So I'll bring you back in just a minute. All right, so they're all on. They look good. They're very simple. And you can choose, like, I have it so the dent's down going this direction, so any rooster tail from the dirt will spray past it. You can have it go the other way, which I've seen a couple pictures where they go the other way, but I think they look better this way because hopefully it'll keep the dirt off the side of the truck. They seem pretty sturdy. Still a pretty high step, but again, I'm not the tallest person, so it'll definitely make it easier than all the way up to there, I can tell you that. Pretty clean look. If you want them to last, don't forget to fluid fill in the bolts. Thanks for watching. I'll show you this side in the sun. That's how they look. I've already stepped up on this side. It does help. A little bit from distance lower. They look clean. They're nice. I like them. And they're cheap. I think they were 160 bucks. $169, something like that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.